औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। फ्रेंड्स, आज जो मैं वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ इसमें स्पेशली मैक्रो इकनॉमिक्स और जनरल नॉलेज के एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। मैक्रो इकनॉमिक्स में मुख्तलिफ़ कंट्रीज़ की करेंसी और जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं उनके इंफॉर्मेशन है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The theory of surplus value is associated with guild socialism. Economics is the science of planning and arranging the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services for the material welfare of mankind. What is main function of money? To serve as a medium of exchange. The first railway line in India was laid between Bombay and Thane. With which activity is the Wall Street in New York, USA associated banking and finance? Which of the following would be a fixed cost to a manufacturing firm? Machinery and plant. Supply usually lags behind in the case of luxuries. The price of a commodity is fixed by demand and supply of commodity. The National Rural Employment Program focuses particularly on reduction of unemployment. Changes in the standard of living of people in a country are indicated best by changes in per capita income. Which of the following is non-economic activity? Mother tending her sick child. The entrepreneur organizes and takes all responsibilities for the business, bearing the risks in entails. The sum of money paid on the shares to shareholders by a public limited company out of its profit is called dividend. ये बुक में बोनस लिखा हुआ था लेकिन ये डिविडेंड आंसर है इसका. What is the currency of Myanmar? Kyat. Which of the following is the currency of Nepal? Peso. When prices are rising, one of the ways of bringing about reduction in prices would be to increase the availability of goods. Law of diminishing return applies to production. The worker's real wage depends on the purchasing power of his earnings. What is the currency of Bangladesh? Taka. The law of demand states that other things being equal, there is an inverse relationship between the rate of change in the quantity demand and the price of the commodity. The currency of Bangladesh is Taka. The cause of high inflation is high prices. In Poland, the demand of the solidarity for holding of price level for common people. Elasticity of demand explains the relationship between price of a commodity and quantity demanded. When did the International Monetary Fund IMF begin its operation? 1946. What was the total number of the members countries of a Colombo Plan for Cooperative Economic Development in South and the Southeast Asia, which was set up in 1950? 26. An affiliate of the World Bank, the International Development Association IDA, was set up in 1960. The headquarters of the World Health Organization are located in Geneva. Where are the headquarters of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization (UNIDO)? Vienna. The European Free Trade Association (EFTA) was formed on the pattern of the EEC as a result of the convention signed by the some countries of the Europe and Stockholm. When what is it formed? 1960. What is the present total number of members of the IMF? 155. One of the following countries was not a member country of the Colombo Plan. Identify it. France. Where are the headquarters of the IDA? Washington, D.C. When was the World Health Organization WHO set up? 1948. When was the Organization of the Economic Cooperation and Development OECD formed? 1961. When was the United Nations Environment Programme launched? 1972. Where are the headquarters of the IMF? Washington DC. In which month of the 1945 was the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO set up? October. The IDA gives development credits to the development countries for a period of at least 15 years. Where are the headquarters of the United Nations Fund for Population Activities located? New York. The headquarters of the OECD are located at Paris. Which of the following organization has its headquarters at Nairobi? United Nations Environment Programme. What rate of interest does the IMF charge for providing additional confessional balance of payments assistance under the structural adjustment facility to low income countries? 0.50%. In 1951, the FAO was transferred for its temporary headquarters in Washington DC to Rome. How many lending nations formed the Aid India Club to help India out of her foreign exchange difficulties? 12. When was the United Nations Fund for Population Activities set up? 1967. Where are the headquarters of the European Economic Community? Brussels. When was the Group of the 77, an economic group of the third world countries to protect the economic and the trade interest of the developing countries, formed under the auspices of the United Nations? 1964. When was the first amendment to the articles of the IMF made, which led to the creation of the Special Drawing Rights Facility SDR? 1969. The FAO come into formal being in 1945 with the signing of its constitution at a conference held in Quebec City. तो फ्रेंड्स, इसके नेक्स्ट जो 50 MCQs थे वो आज कंप्लीट हुए हैं। तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।